Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add borders to a shape in your designs and projects on Uizard. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to this given screen, select a given shape. So I will go, for example, with, we can go with this shape here, right? So what you want to do is left click into it, and that is going to give you access to these border settings here. Click into it, and then, for example, guys, you may, for example, choose the border style here, right? So a straight line, dotted line, dashed line, and then adjust or change the color here, for example. Or you may adjust the width here. So as you can see, if I enter 4, let me just zoom in, the border will look like this, for example. But you can also click into these 3 dots here and then be navigated to the design tab, yeah? And then expand the border tab here to the right, and you can customize these border settings here again. Let's change the color of the border of the component, and to remove the border, click into none here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.